Service in the Quad Cities has issued a tornado warning for eastern Daviess County in northwestern Illinois, northwestern Stephenson County in northwestern Illinois, until 7:30 p.m. At 6:41 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Stockton Airport, or 15 miles north of Mount Carroll, moving northeast at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Willow around 6:45 p.m. Stockton and Kent around 6:50 p.m. Lena, Warren, Nora, Wadhams Grove, and Lake Lackawanna State Park around 7 p.m. Other locations in the path of this tornadic thunderstorm include Winslow, McConnell, and Oneco. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.